Hey ladies out there in the world, this is a video for you. For those ones who love going to beach, those ones who love swimming, this is really for you. All these hairstyles are protective. They are so beautiful, easy to style, and very light on you. Yeah, just watch this video to the end, and of course comment, like, subscribe, and when you subscribe, you click on the notification bell to be notified about the new videos that I upload videos every day. And my name, as usual, I'm JK, of course, the CEO and hair specialist. Yes, here we go. These are the most beautiful training hairstyles for beach. Yeah, also favorable for swimming in case you've been planning for vacation and don't know what to put in your hair. These hairstyles are for you. You can choose your best, and when you choose your best, please comment to me, write to me in case there's anything you want to know about hair. Any question is how to maintain your hair, how to what you want me to do for you, like a tutorial. Please, I have here for you. You can go down to the comment section and write and inform me. I'll be here to answer and of course respond to you. I send special greetings to my viewers in USA, Canada, Brazil, and all those countries, both South and North America. I love you so much. My people in the UK, in Europe, that is Sweden, Finland, Hungary, I love you so much. Thank you for subscribing, for always following me. Here in Africa, I really greet you. I love you people in South Africa, people in Nigeria, Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. I can't mention you. You are so much. You are so many. And of course, when you go to Asia, I love you. Qatar, Dubai, Germany, India. You guys, I see you really support this channel. Keep going. And right now I want at least to reach to 10,000 subscribers. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Yeah, I think let me leave you to enjoy this video. It's also pretty. It's a combination of all hairstyles that can be good for beach, that are good for beach and swimming. Please watch the entire video and share, because sharing is caring. In case there is a hairstyle that you want me to do for you physically, I can do it for you. Here is my number. You can WhatsApp or call. It is +256 779 89 42 59. You can WhatsApp me and get in touch with me. Those ones who would love to learn, you can also get in touch with me. We teach hair, we teach how to do hair, and of course we also teach about other things as long as it's connected to hair. As I promised at the start of this channel, that every hair detail, it is found on this channel. Let it be treatments, let it be conditioning, maybe you want to learn out style, maybe braiding, weaving, plaiting. Everything is found on this channel. We tackle all areas, that is crochets, locks, a lot of things, straws, everything concerning hair. You find it here. Yes, I sign out and I leave you to enjoy this video. Please make sure you watch the entire video, and please, I will repeat it, subscribe, comment, like, and share.